Hi everyone, welcome you all to this video. Today we'll learn how to use or integrate Google Calendar in Google Meet. We have already learned how to create a link directly and send to the students and how to make the students enter. So today we'll integrate this with Google Calendar because sometimes we have to take the class not immediately, maybe day after tomorrow or next week. We may be needed to take different classes, so it is not possible every time to generate a link, and it may be create confusion, so many links for so many classes. So it is better to use a Google Calendar. It is same as available in your Google account. So let us start. I am Pratima. Welcome you all to this video. So next we'll learn how to use Google Calendar to create the link for Google Meet. Now the question is, what is the problem with that direct creating? So when you are creating directly link from meetgoogle.com, that link is temporary. Suppose for any reason you could not take the class, then when again you will re-enter, it will give you generate another new link. Again you have to post it the link to the students. So to avoid this situation, you can uh, generate a permanent link for a particular class. So here you will go to your Gmail address page, your Google account, and for this first foremost necessity is you should have a Google account. You should have a Gmail account. So here you can see the three dots, 9 dots within the circle. It has many Google apps. It has YouTube, Drive. Drive is also another powerful tool for your Google Classroom or Google Meet taking online teaching. There you can store all the things, and when you are presenting your show, you can show PDF from this drive. You can store it and other thing. uh, so here you can see the calendar, and if you cannot see it, as I told, you can scroll down, you will get anything, it will be below. So here I am selecting the calendar. Calendar is selected. Now see, here today is showing 21st. Suppose I want a class on 22nd, tomorrow. Then you will click on tomorrow. Suppose I want a class at class 10 a.m. or 9 a.m., whatever it may be. I want a class at 6 a.m., not 6 a.m., 10 a.m. I'm taking a class 10 a.m. So I'll click on 10 a.m. You will add a title here. You can write geography, whatever it may be. Then your timings you can change here. You can change the time. This slot will be given to you 45 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour even you can take that one. And if it will disconnect within this time, again with the same link also you can enter, but which you cannot do by the first method, by directly generating the link. Next you will save it. When you will save, it will give you a link again. And before saving I am showing again. Before saving, you what you will do, you will add a guest. When you will add a guest, you can name your Gmail address here and you can save. Suppose P, and I'm writing my, and I'll save here. So what is the meaning of this? In this Gmail address, my link will be generated and it will be saved, so that I can use again, and it will be a permanent. So I'll click on save. I'll click on save. So next it will ask, would you like to send invitation emails to Google Calendar guests? So you have to write send. That means then only it will come to your other account, so that you can save it, you can send it the students. So you will click on send. So when you will send it, you can see this link in the other email address. So this is about how you will create the permanent link. And when you will set time in the calendar, it will give you uh, the reminder to your Gmail. It will create a reminder to your Gmail. Then you will every day, that means on same day or before that, you will send you the link. You'll send it the reminder again and again. So it will, you won't forget it. It will also send to the invitees whom you are inviting. Let me see whether I have got in the mail or not. So when you add the guest or add the account, to the account this link will be sent. And now, as shown in the figure, if you open the Gmail, you will get this link. You can also send this link to one responsible student of your class, so that this link can be pasted in WhatsApp group and others can join. Now, if your browser does not allow Google Meet, it shows the page like this: Meet does not work on your browser. That means you have to download Chrome, then only it will work. So I hope you learned, and more you explore, more you will learn. So many videos are available, you can learn. Please subscribe the channel, like the video and share, so that others can learn. Thank you for watching.